And by 6, I mean 5.
Okay.
Yeah, we're already wrong scientifically with the...
Do I get like a wine wafer or something to cleanse my palate?
Alright, Francis Bacon.
I don't even know what that means.
God damn it.
Who's Francis Bacon, Joseph?
The most important empiricist.
The first person to eat breakfast.
Have you heard of bacon and eggs?
Francis Bacon, she married Jim Eggs.
Keep my eyes closed so I don't cheat.
I don't remember which one was which.
It doesn't matter anymore.
No.
Benjamin, do your break dance while I'm getting my water.
Alright, go ahead. Here's the right hand, here's the left hand. I forgot your eyes are closed. Alright, so drink that one first.
Okay.
Which one is that one?
Shh. I don't remember.
Savor the smell.
It's in a nice, clean, crisp glass.
Trying to smell it like wine. Wait, is there ice in it or not?
From house guests. You have to hit the line.
It's breathing. Hold on a second.
I remember that. Okay. Oh, there was something on the edge of the glass.
Alright, so there's that one. And there's this one.
Do I get bacon in the middle? Okay. Okay.
It has a hydrogen smell to it with a little bit of oxygen.
Hydrogen.
2 atoms of...
There's 2 atoms of. There's tannins. There's oxygen tannins.
There's no tannins in this one, honey. Ooh.
I kind of like this one better.
Which one's which?
You poured it, man.
Open your eyes. What is it? It doesn't even matter if you have your eyes open,
I know
actually.
which one is which.
Alright, which one she like better?
Hold on, I'm gonna let her make a final decision. Digga 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 digga. This is the wrong one. Digga 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 digga.
Over here.
Why are you trying to do that? Wants to be a millionaire light?
Digga digga digga.
There we go.
Anyway, alright, so which one is it?
Honestly, when you close your eyes and you have to drink water, you really can taste the difference. This one's better at the beginning.
Maybe you need the long
Come
delay
on.
here.
It's so much better when I pee.
I like this one.
Okay, the pepper wins.
100%?
But wait, you said that was better at the beginning. Maybe you did...
No. I mean, like, kind of like, you know, like when you drink wine, like, I look crazy with my eyes closed talking about
Why are your eyes even closed? It doesn't
It
matter.
doesn't matter. You don't have to The close only them. flavor in water is...
It's more. Oh, excuse me. That's more fun this way.
That's right.
It's more
That's what I'm saying. It's just like, I don't know.
There is a flavor to water, actually.
Yeah, there is. And then, okay, so this one is like better at the
Note to
beginning.
camera.
And then the
Taste
end,
patient sucks.
The end is not, like there's, anyway. Okay.
Just leaves you lacking.
I like this one better at the end.
All right, Mad Hatter, get yourself together here.
All right, what did I pick? I picked bottled water, didn't I?
Wait, no.
Which one you
Which
pick?
one? Pick one.
Okay.
Open your eyes. They were both tap water.
Tap water out of the sink?
Both of them.
Why did you mess
Just
with me
kidding.
like
This
that?
is from the fridge.
I like your water better. Did you really film this?
Whole thing,
Oh my
girlfriend.
god.
Seriously.
Yeah, that's from the.
It does. You have to taste it. It has a good taste at the
refrigerators
end.
come with filters in them too, by the way.
Well, no. The thing
Not
is,
his though.
the only taste
Are
of
you
water is
confused?
the
Are you mad
minute.
though?
There you have it.